This is Berlin, and these are some of the highlights you can experience on a Sage Core program. Students get to experience the city as locals. Like, for example, they have to get used to the public transportation so that they can commute every day to their workplace. In the Maymester program in Berlin, students work on a consulting project for a startup. This can look like creating a go-to-market strategy for a startup, building an investor pitch to help raise capital, or audit and develop an online multi-channel marketing strategy. Students will work in teams, and by the end of the program, they will make a presentation to the startup. In their free time, students can explore the city and join the events our team specially curates for them. This is a great opportunity for students to explore a new city and get incredible hands-on experience to improve their resumes.